Hello everyone, welcome to Study Automation. I am Chandan Kumar and today we will see how we can build API using Node.js. So let's get started. So to work with Node.js we need to install Node.js software along with that Visual Studio Code for writing the code. So let's download the Node.js. So we have to write Node.js and then we can download any version from here. Let's download the LTE version. Now Node.js is downloaded. We have to click here and then click next. So it's simple process to install Node.js in your system. Just click next and so also you can see here we have this particular Node.js installation will add Node.js to the path variable also, and then click next and then install. Now you can see we have successfully installed Node.js in our system, and let's click finish. Once we will install Node.js, we have to open command prompt and just check whether Node.js is installed in your system or not. So for that we will write first command node-v. If we are getting the version of the Node.js that we have installed right now, you can see this is 14.16.0, same version, and then also you have to check one more command, that is npm-v. This is Node package manager, which is also installed along with the Node.js software. This is used to install the application software inside the Node.js. We'll see that how we can use npm. So this way we have installed Node.js in our system. Thank you so much.